sexy shoes from?
There's David right there. He's doing what he does best. Let's take a look at David's car if we can get these people out of the way here.
Real sexy shoes.
He's got a nice car there.
It's dirty.
It's a little dirty. We can still get the basic outline.
Look,
It's a nice
put the
car.
camera down to
Oh, there's James right there. We ain't met him yet. James. Hey, say hi, man.
You know what I want to say to you?
This is James Barnes right here.
This is James Barnes. No, this is...
I will not hurt myself, okay? I'll be good, okay? I'll be good. I promise. We'll be back. We'll be back. We'll be back. Yeah, okay. You should learn it.
Hier. Pass so rum. Drive there. There's not so much cars.